Now the white component of the limbic system. They are what actually they are the white matter component are actually the collection of fiber or bundle of fiber, or what we call it tracts, which which actually are connecting the nuclei of different nuclei of the limbic system. So the white matter are actually tracts or fibers. They are connecting different nuclei of the limbic system. They are interconnecting fibers of the limbic system. They are divided into the stria medullaris, fornix, stria terminalis, mammillothalamic tract, and mammilotegmental tract. Now you can see here in the picture. First, this stria medullaris. Stria medullaris connect the septal. You can see here it is connecting the septal area to the one of the gray matter component of the limbic system, which is known as habenula. Second is the fornix. Fornix is another group of the fibers that connect hippocampal area to the hypothalamus. It is connecting Fornix is connecting hippocampal area. You can see here. Uh, blue color fibers are actually fornix, and they are connecting hypothalamus. They are connecting hypothalamus to the hippocampal area, which is present in the yellow color structure. Hippocampal and hypothalamus is shown in the blue color. So they both are connected by the blue fibers, and they are known as fornix. So fornix connect the hypothalamus nuclei of the hypothalamus to the hippocampal area. Now, what is stria terminalis? Stria terminalis is shown, the fibers are shown in the green color, and they are connecting the septal nuclei to the different area, to the septal nuclei to the hypothalamus, and to the amygdaloid body. Amygdala. Now, mammillothalamic tract actually are the fibers that are running between the mammillary body of hypothalamus to the thalamus. This fiber is known as mammillothalamic tract, while the some fibers from the mammillary body go to the tegmental area of the midbrain. So they are known as mammilotegmental tract. Now, what are the function of this limbic system? Actually, they have certain functions which are controlled by the limbic system. These different areas, these different gray matter nuclei, and this collection of fibers, so white matter fibers, actually work together and control some function of the body, and these function are known as limbic system function. And these are, first is the olfaction. Second, it controls the emotions and behavior, human behavior, emotions like anger, fear, rage, aggression, etc. It also control our recent memory. It also play in the role of learning procedures. It also play role in the eating, drinking behavior of our body and sexual behavior of our body. So this is all about the limbic system.